Superb guys, superb. Absolutely in love with this place. This is the detox I needed. And man,
Look at
is in the eve. We are absolutely having a great time. This guy is actually shooting out and नहीं vlogging कर रहा है. मैं vlogging नहीं उसका उसको चला कि जाओ उसके साथ तो किया है. But pure vibes. If you can tell your fans to subscribe my channel.
I should ask your fans to subscribe my channel.
Please, I'm in Bangalore but stuck in the traffic. चल रहा है. Finally, we got the road to the place जहाँ पे हमने hotel book किया था. So we are planning to ask this uncle for a bye. Let's see if he's going to wave us back. We have no idea. We're just trying this stunt right now. Just hoping that we get a straight road and I could just take a overtake. And अभी इनसे पूछेंगे, आप ही पूछेंगे, अभी पूछेंगे. Come on, guys. Good morning, DNSians. What's up? Solmelo. Today, me and my team are going to Bangalore. It is 5 a.m. I'm sorry, I'm not able to open my eyes. Not able to open my eyes. Just woke up and I need to take bath and go. Jerry just called me. My team just called me and they're like, we need to move. We need to get up now. उठ जाएंगे. I need to go and freshen myself. I need to go and take bath and then we need to go. Okay. Waking up early morning is something that I don't. But success के लिए definitely need to wake it up. So Bangalore is a place that I'll be coming soon. It's going to be excited. I'll be doing a road trip. Excited to be doing a fan meet as well on 18th. 17th को मेरा एक talk है and चलो देखेंगे क्या क्या होगा. We're very much excited as well. Let's do this vlog and चलो चलते हैं. पहले नहा लेंगे. Just took my bath, हो गया. Now I'm all fresh. आँख खुल गई. I'm coming to Bangalore. I'm very much excited. चलो यहाँ से अभी जल्दी I'll just get ready and I'll pick my friends up and then अपनी airplane नहीं गाड़ी में जाना है हमें. 6 hours का जर्नी होगा शायद. Let's try completing it in 4 hours or 5 hours possible. And पहले ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. लेट्स गो. अपना सूटकेस रेडी है. चार्जर साहब बाय बाय माय हाउस फॉर नाउ. आई बी कमिंग बैक सून. वो हो गया. ओह या माय शूज. नीड टू टेक माय शूज. लेट्स ग्रैब माय शूज एंड ऑफ वी गो. एंड ऑफ वी गो टू बैंगलोर. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड क्या बोले यार 3 दिन का रहने वाला हूँ मैं. 16th टुडे 16th आई विल बी रीचिंग टुडे. And off we go to Bangalore. So 3 दिन का I will be there in Bangalore. And मुझ दिनों पे 3 दिन हूँ वहाँ पे. 16th, 17th and 18th. So 16th I'll be just chilling there. 17th is my talk, Josh talk. And उसके बाद 18th I'm having a fan meet जिसका मैं एड्रेस अपनी इंस्टाग्राम की स्टोरी में डाल दूंगा मैं. आप लोग जाके मुझे फॉलो कर दो. लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड ये जो वीडियोस एंड एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग अप इन माय न्यू यूट्यूब चैनल डॉक्टर निरंजन व्लॉग्स. सो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एज वेल. ओके नाउ ऑफ टू पिक अप नाविया एंड उसके बाद राहुल एंड देन विल बी हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन ऑन द वे थोड़ी चाय पी के ना विल जस्ट रीच बैंगलोर. होपफुली अभी 6 बज चुका है. I think by 11 or something we'll be reaching to Bangalore. She just came now. You need to have some time sense here. What is this? We are getting too late now.
enough, shut up.
I've been waiting here for past half an hour here. I need to go and pick up Jerry now. I had to go and pick up Jerry now.
Yeah, so?
चलो चलते हैं. हमको क्या? He came. Dicky. Press. Guys, are we ready to go to Bangalore? I say.
I've left my phone.
She has left her phone, so we had to go back and collect that iPhone, and then we need to go back to Bangalore. So we planned to start this journey at what 5 a.m.
No. We
It's
started
7
at 6
a.m. and we are still in Bangalore.
No, it is 6:30. Just half an hour late.
Late is late, but we'll have breakfast first. That is a very important criteria. You can see him. He has got a lot of these bags are all his only, not ours. All his bags. Chalo chalte. We'll leave. Clear this. So finally off to Bangalore. We had a plan to leave at 5 a.m. but we are leaving to Bangalore at 7 a.m. thanks to these two people, unethical and
For the first time, I
unpunctual.
forgot.
Punctuality nahi hai. Punctuality illa.
I got up at 3:30.
What is the point of getting at 3:30? You're leaving at 7 o'clock.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ನೀರಿನ ಜೈ ತುಳುನಾಡು. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ತುಳುಲ ಪಾತಿರುವ.
ಇವರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೇಳಿಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
No, see, I was just teaching the people. My audience are all from north, so I just want to teach them Kannada and
ಬನ್ನಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
Tulu.
ಮಾತಾಡುವ.
So guys, middle just in case you are wondering what this is, I'll show you guys. You can get this on Amazon because majority of the girls are, majority of the audience are girls here. So if you guys are traveling somewhere and there's this thing.
ಬೇಗ
chain
ತೂಪೌದೆ
stitch.
ನಿಂಗೊಂದು ಕೈ ಬೇಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Your jewelries tend to get entangled, right? So instead of putting it in some random pouch, you can arrange it like this.
That's called useless product. Now we'll go and
You
fill
can get
our
this on Amazon. Please do check it out. Travel jewelry organization.
link won't be given in the description, so don't try. So we'll be filling the gas now first, and then we have to fill our tummy. That is very important because the breakfast will be dead. So let's fill the diesel first. So we are filling the gas now. 3000 का हम भरने वाले हैं. Already यहाँ पे कुछ डीजल है भी नहीं. You can see tank is already low. Scanner.
Scanner
Huh? Scanner लो.
card.
और कार्ड कोड.
स्कैनर नहीं है इसलिए
Scanner नहीं है. No idea. Okay.
What is this behavior?
1000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1800 ಉಂಟು.
1800.
ಬಾಕಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕುಡ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಚಾಯ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕುಡ್ದು?
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಇದು 1800 ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಹಾಂ
1200.
ಹಾಂ
बोल दो उसको यहाँ का वेटर का स्टोरी
ಹಾಂ
यहाँ का हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट
ಹಾಂ ಕಾಣು.
मलते ऑलरेडी
So we have just reached a place called BC Road and we're just having a breakfast here. I just ordered puri bhaji. They both have ordered masala dosa, and we'll just have that and I'll have one more after that and then we'll leave. So of course now I just want to have that amazing breakfast. And actually we are planning a music album and he is actually shooting.
It's not like album. It's more like a travel reel.
No. I have considered it as an album. You are shooting it. I don't know with this one. If it doesn't come,
This and that.
this and that no.
Jerry's.
My puris just arrived. This is my puris. This ka masala dosa. We are ready for this masala. I don't know if he's going to complete the masala dosa. I should be completing it. Are you both going to complete the masala dosa? Okay. I'm also hungry as well. Show me how you eat masala dosa.
First you have to cut. Then you have to dip. Then
Dip idea.
dip here also.
Ragana. Now certain.
It's an art. It's an art.
What art? Paripunting punate.
You take this bhaji, then you dip it in the chutney, then you dip it in the sambar.
Dip it in water also. So basically I don't take this one particular risk of having Shira anywhere else other than my Shubag, you know that. So today I'm having a Shira outside. They say it's pineapple but it's yellow in color. It should not be yellow, it should be white in color. Okay. We'll see how it goes. Not bad. .5 on 10.
But it's good.
Okay. Not as great as my chupa. But nice. Yeah. Don't talk to me again. Okay, we have pulao right now. One more delicacy. Not delicacy. One more dish. So, to buying it.
उनका 3 हुआ है, हम लोग और 8 भी नहीं हुआ.
There's a lot of masala. Maggi masala. But nice. Nice. I can't take risk of staying empty stomach the whole journey. But if I get loose motion later, that's a different story. But until then, I will be very much filled. These people have just had masala dosa.
We are still eating one masala dosa and he is like completed 3-4.
Eggplant. Intakia. And ending my breakfast with amazing chai.
Garam chai.
Aha. Yeah. Hey, that is a very great song, yeah. Garam chai ki pyasi ho.
I think so. I get garam chai got it by
This is my life. Simple and sorted.
My life be like ooh, पूरे का background music करोगे. आता.
And man.
We'll go ahead, start moving now. With the bills and this. I think I should have one more chai. It is raining. We are done. We are leaving too. This Jana has not eaten anything. You should eat, my boy.
Oh, दादा बहुत बात है.
Huh? Your cuteness.
ये ना phone.
Okay, let's leave. It's raining here. So let's go. As you can see, the beautiful roads all the way to Bangalore. Bangalore, here we come. Are we ready?
All set.
Are we ready? Ararara. There is something I don't want to, so keep stuck that. So we are now. Where is this place, by the way?
I think
This is Koppala. Koppala. I don't know where Koppala is, but it's Koppala. I think we are coming through Charmadi Ghats. And regarding the meet where we'll be having the fam meet, ENSCNs, I'm very eager to meet you all. I'll be uploading that in the story of my Instagram. So go and follow me on my Instagram. Link is in the description box. Up aa jao, maze karenge. 18th ko there will be a fam meet. Kal I have another other thing to work on. So me and my team will be going there. So बारिश भी आ रहा है, मौसम भी सही है. And my Jerry boy is recording some clips, some clips. We are in Hanchigatti now, Hanchigatti.
he's telling as if he knows the place.
He's seeing the roads and telling.
That is same, I know. That doesn't mean we are in Hanchigatti. But roads are crazy, man.
Roads are very good.
Very good roads, okay. Like Makkan जैसा यार, इधर से निकलेंगे मतलब Bangalore. I think we can reach Bangalore by 1 AM.
Let's give it a challenge.
No, I don't want to challenge. These roads are first of all very slippery. I don't want to take a challenge. मैं अपनी स्पीड पे ही जाऊंगा. ये क्या है यार? इसको निकालेंगे.
आराम से पहुंच.
आज से जाऊंगा, ठंडा पानी पीऊंगा, ऐश करूंगा. So we are being escorted by the police till Bangalore. पूरा we are the medical support for all this. I don't know, कोई जा रहा है वहाँ पे. And some politician I feel. So हमारा एक medical support पीछे से आ रहा है. They are clearing the roads and we are like literally going behind them. सही चल रहा है till Bangalore. I hope they go to Bangalore and we don't miss the road anywhere. And I hope they don't take any turns anywhere. चलो चलते हैं. But here is a temple. जय श्री राम, जय बजरंगबली. चलो चलते हैं. We have finally reached the Charmadi Ghat. ना इಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, यहाँ से कितना दूर है पता नहीं है, but the vibe is that's it.
No, 3 hours.
Complete Charmadi Ghat.
Complete Charmadi Ghat, we have 1.5 hours. But just look at that, man. This is what is called as beauty. Exactly what we needed. Detox. I was telling these people, let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive, long drive.
The day has come.
Finally, day has come. These people get very lazy. He was busy, and she was also busy with her work. And finally,
Yeah, I'll be the first one for
And
it.
he's asking English to do it. And he's telling us lazy. Wow.
wow! Let's go! We are in the guard section here, guys. Look at it. Such a beautiful vibe. Absolutely loving this vibe. Something, a detox that we absolutely needed. I definitely needed out of this busy schedule that we were all having. And this is a pure bliss. Trust me, a purest bliss. All this fog, monkeys everywhere. Sahi hai yaar, aur kaise?
Cute monkeys.
Cute monkeys.
Cute monkeys.
Chalo yaar, this is so good, so good. I think another 3 hours journey remaining or 2 hours journey. 5 hours? No, not 5 hours journey. 3 hours journey, something is remaining. We'll cover it soon. And then I need to go to the room and just take a shower. उसके बाद I'll be sorted. Look at the fog here, man. मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ, कुछ रास्ता भी नहीं दिख रहा है. I'm just putting the hazardous light. I'm just going. अरे यार, सही है. But nice, no?
Very nice.
Pure vibe है यार. Vibe है. Vibe है.
Insani shoot mantadu yan mulpa heart drop.
यही है जिंदगी. We are absolutely having a great time. This guy is actually shooting down and vlogging कर रहा है. मैं vlogging नहीं उसका but pure vibe man. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this is the place that we need to be. 31 decorations team. Woo! सही बात है. Bangalore, here we come. Oh, there's a falls right there. Just look at this falls. Wow. Beautiful.
Wait.
Huine monkey.
Basically, we were shooting for some time. हमने थोड़ा halt किया यहाँ पे. Where is Jerry? He's shooting their backs. He's still shooting on. कुछ shoot कर रहा था वो भाई साहब. Now he'll come back. And go. Shooting my boy. So we just halted here for some time. सोचा कि थोड़ा देख लेंगे चारमाड़ी घाट कैसा है. Just look at this view, man. Absolutely, we are loving it. अभी हो गए यहाँ पे. We're actually shooting for some time and now getting away from here. Done for the day, bro. Let's go. You're shooting. पूरा shooting चल रहा है वहाँ पे. We need to go from here now. Too dangerous. It's very foggy and पता नहीं यहाँ पे wild animals भी आएगा. इसको काट के लेके जाएगा. हम निकलते हैं पहले यहाँ से. So we have reached Chikmagalur now. Another 100 or 150 kilometers more for Bangalore. But just look at this vibe, I say.
This is full of serene.
Beautiful. Bangalore andre, Chikmagalur andre, ide. Nodidane hinge untanta. Superb guys, superb. Absolutely in love with this place. This is the detox I needed. And man,
Look at
wow.
Jerry.
This is so good, so good.
I am
His head is
behind
flying.
one project.
He's actually working on a project and we are enjoying this. We are in the project by the way.
Oh my god.
Just look at this place.
Our project.
Damn yeah.
This is so good. Look at the nature.
My
look at
Bangalore
the sky.
vlog is coming up soon on my new YouTube channel. So jaake dekho and subscribe karo. I'll be making many more travel vlogs and food vlogs as well. I hope you guys like it. In the comment section batao what is that one thing you like the most about this entire vlog. So this is the first day vlog. There will be another 2 vlogs coming up. That is the Bangalore 2 days, 3rd day. तो वो देखेंगे वो आने वाला है. I was actually posting all my vlogs and everything in my main channel, my medical content channel. But then I thought like, let's make a separate channel for vlogs and upload there. What say guys?
Yes.
Yes.
That's a beautiful idea that I have.
Oh my God.
Also,
Look at that.
also you will meet new people in the vlog. So stay tuned for the day 2 day 3 vlog.
New people.
Yeah, like-
we have a fan meet coming up. The DNSN meet. DNSN
Also,
meet.
we'll be meeting.
I have no idea how many people are coming, but at least if one person comes, I'm very more happy. But at least one person will come, I guess. What say?
Yeah. Also, you'll be meeting my friends, Rahul's friends.
Oh, Sam is gonna come. So हमारा vlog में आपने देखा ही होगा.
Preeti is
she'll be
coming.
there. So वो तो देखेंगे ही. But the breeze, the wind, I say, beautiful. It's
cool.
So cool. It's very cool.
Look at this.
planning to ask this uncle for a bye. Let's see if it is going to wave us back. We have no idea. We're just trying this stunt right now. Just hoping that we get a straight road and I could just take a overtake. And I've been पूछेंगे, आप ही पूछेंगे. Come on, guys. Bye. Did you say bye?
Sweet, he did it.
You did it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That with a smile he did.
Just having a quick snack, Jola snack here, and me and my team we just landed here. इतना ड्राइव करके मेरा पीठ तो गया. Another 200 kilometers more to go, so वो हो जाएगा. After that, I'm just going to the room and just crashing because I'm very sleepy early morning. And I've woken up very extremely sleepy. I'm very sleepy, and we're also shooting. He's actually shooting certain shots and all that, so that's good. That's one great thing. How is the Jola, by the way?
Nice.
सही कर रहा है. So I'm absolutely having a lot of fun in this journey. Bangalore vlog. The last time was Pune vlog, but this time it's the Bangalore vlog. Let's keep going. My Jerry boy has gone to toilet. Where is he? He's there. He's over there. He's over there. We are closing to Nelamangala. Soon we'll be reaching there, and from there we need to take one right. It's right or left?
Right.
Some right or left. Just look at those clouds, man. Crazy. And uske baad we are in Bangalore. Namma Bengaluru. Okay. Oh, this is sugar cane for Padam there for some paper, I guess. Chalo, ye bhi sahi hai. Chalte hain. Basically, I'm tired driving. These two people have slept nicely.
Hey, we haven't slept.
I am sleepy actually. And it's still what, 1 hour?
No. Half an hour.
Half an hour more it seems. Beginning half an hour. 1 hour more.
Half an hour.
I am like driving in what, 140 now. But still straight road. Straight. तो सही है. जल्दी से पहुंचेंगे और सो जाएंगे. मैं सो जाऊंगा. Finally we have reached Bangalore. We have finally reached. I am absolutely tired.
But
Done.
he did a great job. He took like what, 5.5 hours?
5 hours of journey and we are already there in Bangalore city. अभी राइट लेके पता नहीं किधर एक रूम जहाँ पे हमने किया है वहीं पे जाके लैंड होना है. So basically we have reached Bangalore city and we are lost yaar.
We were lost literally for almost like 1.5 hours now.
400 kilometers I've traveled. I'm literally hungry. Didn't eat anything since morning.
See left. You can see a city.
Left I don't know. I just want to go and crash at the room that we have booked.
So tired. Very tired.
Hate Bangalore.
Bangalore. Roads are very complicated.
I don't know.
The
I thought
design
people.
is-
I
the
really
design is
thought
worst.
people will be so welcoming. I'm really sorry, but people were rude here.
थोड़ा road होता है. It's okay. No problem. हम प्यार करते हैं.
Road, the design is not proper.
Nice. It's okay. चलो, let's go.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
Finally we got the road to the place जहाँ पे हमने hotel book किया था. So we are going there now. This is a very beautiful place. Very beautiful road as well. You can see the sky too. Damn good. But city में जब हमने enter किया वहाँ पे इतना टोल था यार. मतलब I don't know where. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಏನೆಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್. another 50 kilometers to travel from the city. That is something really challenging, but that's fine. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಏನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I'm just crashing and just crashing, that's all.
Clouds, like surreal clouds.
ಲಾಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಂಡೋ.
I thought it will take like another 30 minutes to reach the destination, but other यहाँ पे 1 घंटा हो गया यार. We are stuck in this traffic.
Again, we have wasted 2.5 hours on this.
I know, right? Like, yeah, this road is called as nice road.
Associated with Bangalore.
This road is called as nice road, but but why the traffic so? Traffic is not so nice, I say. Ayo yaar, please, I'm in Bangalore, but stuck in the traffic. चल रहा है. What is happening? Oh shit, there was an accident there, I guess. Very bad. So we were stuck in the traffic and now we're just done. Going back. So yeah. Hey guys, we finally reached Bangalore and we have reached the hotel. Now they are cleaning 2 rooms, so इसीलिए अभी time तब तक के लिए we have come here and we are just resting for some time. बहुत थक गए. There was a huge traffic. 1 hour, 1.5 hour का delay हो गया. We were supposed to reach Bangalore by what 2 p.m. sorry, but हो नहीं पाया. They are also tired. दोनों का हालत पतला है, पतली है, जो भी है सही है. So we are big boss. So यहाँ पे चेंज करने के बाद रेस्ट फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन विल गो एंड मीट वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड इज हिज गुरु हेमंत सर. सो विल मीट हिम, विल हैव अ डिनर एंड देन दैट्स डन फॉर द टुडे. उसके बाद टुमारो इज अ बिग डे. वी हैव जोश टॉक्स, वो देखेंगे, वो उसका भी व्लॉग आएगा. सो इफ यू न्यू टू दिस चैनल, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. सो बाद में क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, मेरा तोतला हो चुका हूँ. लेट मी रेस्ट फॉर सम टाइम. आई जस्ट रीच्ड. आई एम मेकिंग अ व्लॉग. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? We just reached room. We just got our rooms and see this boy. Dead body here. One more dead body here.
Oh man,
God, dead body is here. Oh God. What a trip to Bangalore. I'm never having a road trip again to Bangalore. Oh God, I'm never getting my car again to Bangalore. That is for sure. 100% sure. He's talking to his girlfriend.
yeah.
Hey,
Bye.
ಯಾರೋ ಯಾರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಅಂಕಲ್ ತೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೇನು. ಅಂಕಲ್ ತೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೆಡ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ತೆಗೆದು ಬರೀರಿ. ಯಾರ ನಾಟಕ ಎತ್ತು ಸರಿತ್ತು ಜನ. Just got ready and they are clicking pictures here. We need to go out and meet one of our friend and म्यूजिक के बारे में कुछ बात करना था. तो ये लोग तो तैयार हो ही नहीं रहे यहाँ पे. Need to get out of here 7:30. उसको ट्रेंड्स भी जाना है. You need to get some clothes. Even I need to get some clothes as well. कल टॉक है अपना जोश टॉक पे. So वो एक है. So they just went to Navya and Jerry just went to Trends and किधर है ये लोग? Oh, they're just crossing the road. So they're coming now and we'll be going for dinner right now. Hello. In the streets of Bengaluru, I say. Which? He's shooting there. Walking in the streets. Where are we supposed to go, by the way?
There.
Let's go then. That is Hemant Joyce, guys. We have one blue tick celebrity here. You must go and see his channel. Great, brilliant musician. And his Shishya.
I'm meeting him for the first time.
Meeting him for the first time. That is great. We're also meeting him for the first time.
Yeah.
Absolutely a delight. Fantastic guy. And is that veg, by the way?
Yeah, this is veg.
This is Brahmin. So that's there's a confusion. Which is veg here?
Yeah,
That's fine. Hopefully it's veg. So finally we met Hemant himself. We have something really great coming up in the future. Please sir, is it coming up?
Yeah, definitely.
So that is one thing, lovely meeting this person. 2022 I'm ending by meeting this soul. 2021 I ended by meeting these two souls. First day of Bangalore was a great time and we just had a bomb time with Hemant, of course. And day 3 again we'll be meeting him. So until then I just want to tell one thing, that is, if you can tell your fans to subscribe my channel.
I should ask your fans to subscribe my channel.
So please, Hemant, please.
You are already famous.
No, I'm there. So in the end I want to tell one thing, that is, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my next vlog comes. Bye.
Bye.